Good afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb, 2015 government pass question. Question number 48 says, which of the following assists the president in the formulation of foreign affairs? Which of the following assists the president in the formulation of foreign policy? And when we talk of foreign policies is the same as national policy of a country. National policy of a country, and national policy of a country means programs of a state towards other states or countries of the world. Option A say ministers of foreign affairs. And when we talk of foreign affairs has to do with external policies, external programs of a country. So that is the minister that is in charge of this relationship with other countries. Program policy is Minister of Foreign Affairs. The Minister of Interior, it means within. The Minister of Finance is in charge of security. The Minister of Justice is in charge of law or declaration of verdict. So the person in charge of foreign policy is the Minister of Foreign Policy. So option A is correct. Thank you, and ensure you subscribe for more videos.